Hi, my name is Justin and I'm a student recruitment officer here at St. Mary's University. Today I'm going to go over 5 scholarship tips. Number 1 is what kind of scholarships am I able to apply for? The first is our Renewable entrance scholarships. All students that apply to St. Mary's are automatically considered for these scholarships, and these have to do with your academic average in grade 12. We also have additional scholarships which you need a separate application to apply for. Number 2, how do I apply? And it's super easy. All you have to do is go to smu.ca/scholarships, submit your application form, upload your personal statement, resume, and references, and you're good to go. We'll take it from there. Number 3 is what should I include in my resume and personal statement, and this is your time to shine. We're looking for anything that sets you apart, such as extracurricular activities, volunteer work, sports, anything that makes you unique. Number 4 is who will write my reference letter. We recommend talking to a teacher, guidance counselor, principal. These are all really good sources to get a reference and someone that will write good things about you. Number 5 is when is the deadline. The deadline is March 1st, and we recommend getting all of your applications in before then. We look forward to seeing you on campus.